Welcome to another video from DD Aerial Photography, and this video is going to be on Eastport. When are they planning on opening? The overlords have given us a sign to tell us when Eastport Town Square is going to open. Here it is, Eastport coming in mid-2025. Do you think it's all going to be open in 2025? I don't think so. I do think the Bel Air Golf Course is going to be open. Central Lake is going to be open. Bel Air Golf Course is going to be open. The Central Lake driving range is going to be open. Sunset Island is going to be open. The Olympia Rec Center is going to be open. And the softball fields are going to be open. Village Health is open. It's been open since the beginning of the year. They've been taking in patients and everything and getting everybody healthy so they can enjoy this rock climbing wall. Citizens Bank is going to be open. That's going to be one of the first things open here in the square. The Village's golf cars, I don't believe it's going to be open in mid-2025, maybe in the fall of 2025. They still got to put the golf cart on top. They got to get the roof finished, stock it with golf cars. So I do believe the fall of 2025, the Village golf cars is going to be open. I mean, if they really work on it, they could get it done in mid-2025. Do I think any of the stores are going to be open? No, I think it's just going to be like Brownwood Square. The Entertainment Square will be open, but I do not believe any of the stores are going to be open. Maybe this restaurant down here on the left, on the corner, will be open, but this Entertainment Square is going to be open. We're going to be dancing, we're going to be listening to music. Can't wait. I sure hope the first week of entertainment, Scooter is going to be there. They'll bring a crowd. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Do I think the sales center is going to be open? Hell yeah. I think it'll be open as soon as the Citizens First Bank will be open. The Olympia Rec Center, it does say the Olympia Rec Center will be open mid-2025. That'll be really cool. Really like to enjoy that rec center because that's a huge rec center. And we do like Saluki, but this is going to be, I think, our #1 rec center. Eisenhower is still my favorite rec center, but I think this will be my second favorite rec center. Saluki, Olympia. I know they're a little different, but do I think all these are going to be open? The tennis courts, the pickleball courts, they should have been opened last year. If you were to go back and look at all my videos, these have been built first. They were already built and they had already had the fences up. They had everything done. Why weren't they? We could have been using them, but our overlords decided, no, let us wait. So in the softball fields, they did say the softball fields are going to be open. So they need to get that, as soon as the spring hits, all that grass is going to be green. It's going to be growing like a wildfire, and they're going to be mowing it every couple days. And the dog park, yes, the dog park I do believe is going to be open, and my doggie is going to be running in there. My dog loves to play with other little dogs, and she'll be in there. And the Sunset Island, man, I can't wait for Sunset Island to be open. And I've been chomping at the bit to get out there, physically be out there on Sunset Island. It was going to be cool. I haven't been out there yet. It's still not finished. If you look out there on the left-hand side, they're still working on it. You see the algae around the edge of Sunset Island? That is not a bad thing. Yes, it's unsightly, but it's not a bad thing. The algae eats all the excess nutrients, and when there's fish in the pond, they can do their little frolicking and make little fishies, and they can live in the algae and not be eaten by the alligators or bigger fish. But actually, algae is a really good thing in a pond. It really helps it clean the water up. And I wonder if that Hotel Eastport is going to be open soon. I do believe it'll be open in the fall of 2025 also. Just in time for snowbirds. See the unsightly algae? It's fine, it's good for the pond. I wish they don't kill it because it'll really help the pond clean up. And like I said, the driving range, I know I'm chomping out the bit to go hit at the driving range. Hit balls at a real driving range down here. It'll be really cool. And like I said, I know some of y'all really need that golf school. Y'all been wanting that golf school to be open, and it'll be open soon. And how about all those old trees? I love that the developer kept all the old trees. Thank you, overlords. Hotel Eastport. It's going to be 4 stories, but it's only going to have 3 stories of rooms. All these rooms look like they're going to be the same, except for 3 rooms. And wait till you get on the other side. It's really cool. And you can see they're going to have a place for entertainment out here. It's going to be really nice. I mean, when my relatives and friends and family come and visit, this is where they're going to stay. Hotel Eastport. These 3 rooms on the end, they could be conference rooms or they could be suites. I think that's really cool. Let me know what you think those are. Write down in the description and let me know if I was right or wrong. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.